Okay, so this new unit is called Comer en Familia, Eat with Family, and Lección 1 is called Mi comida favorita, my favorite food. Your homework will be to complete el cuaderno de actividades páginas 99 hasta 100. Okay, vamos a Puerto Rico. The new vocabulary is about la comida, food. Okay, so you should have your notes in front of you and you should fill them in as we go through. This first section is about meals and related vocab. Este es el desayuno. El desayuno. El verbo asociado con el desayuno es desayunar. Entonces, el desayuno en inglés es breakfast y desayunar significa to eat breakfast. La próxima comida del día es el almuerzo, que significa lunch, y el verbo es almorzar. La última comida del día es la cena, y el verbo asociado es cenar. So, la cena es dinner. Y cenar significa to eat dinner. Estas son ejemplos de las bebidas. Okay, we talked about this when we learned the verb beber, that the noun form bebida comes out of the verb beber. So bebidas are drinks and beber means to drink. Okay, este es un verbo nuevo que es compartir. Los perros comparten la pasta. Okay, compartir means to share. Este hombre vende la comida. All right, vender significa to sell. Okay, so we're going to get into more specifics about breakfast and lunch food. Este es el café. A mí me gusta tomar el café por las mañanas. Este es el té. Okay, so we had coffee, now this is tea. El cereal, muy fácil, un cognado. Estos son los huevos o el huevo. Aquí hay dos huevos. Este es el jugo de naranja. También podemos tener otros tipos de jugo. Por ejemplo, el jugo de manzana, el jugo de, no sé, any other fruit you can think of. So, el jugo de naranja is specifically orange juice. Obviamente, la leche, milk. Este es el pan, mi favorito. El yogur. La hamburguesa, and if you're not kosher and you want to say cheeseburger, you just say la hamburguesa con queso. El sándwich de egg, and then you can fill in with any ingredients that are in your sandwich. El libro de texto tiene la palabra el sándwich o las palabras el sándwich de jamón y queso. Ham and cheese sandwiches are really commonly eaten in Latin America. La sopa is soup. La banana. In some countries they also say el plátano. La manzana. Las uvas. Okay, and also within this section we learn about some phrases with tener. Okay, so we learned the verb tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él tiene, nosotros tenemos, vosotros tenéis, y ustedes tienen. Okay, and so this verb can be used with a couple of different other words in conjunction, and it's translated as to have and then a feeling, but that's how we describe these situations. So these people, okay, so for example, tener ganas de is used with an infinitive, and it means to feel like doing something. So, este hombre tiene ganas de dormir. He feels like sleeping. Esta mujer tiene ganas de bailar y cantar. Y estos dos tienen ganas de bailar también. Okay, so tener ganas de means to feel like. And then you complete it with an infinitive. Esta mujer tiene hambre. Tienes hambre cuando quieres comer. Okay, tener hambre literally means to have hunger, but it means to be hungry. And the last one that we're learning in this section is tener sed. This literally means to have thirst, but it is to be thirsty. Okay, we can also ask questions. We're going to learn some question words in this section. Como with an accent means how. All interrogative words, all question words have accents on them. So como has an accent on the first O. Cuáles means which or what. So it can be cuál if it's singular or cuáles if it's plural. ¿Por qué means why. Literally means for what. And qué means what. ¿Quién is who, or quiénes would be plural. Other words and phrases for this section. Ahora significa now. Nutritivo significa nutritious or healthy. Otro or otra, used with a noun, means other. Para means for, but also means in order to. So if you want to talk about, well, here I'll give you an example. If you use it with an infinitive, it would be most likely translated to in order to. So, for example, necesito estudiar para sacar una buena nota. I need to study to or in order to get a good grade. The last thing is rico, which means tasty or delicious. So if you're eating something that's really good, you can say, que rico. And that's the end. So when we get to class, we'll play some matamoscas.